to 1 week. It's day 7. If you haven't already, subscribe right now, and I'm on Instagram and Facebook, Cellist Wendy Law. So today, our challenge is practicing only one passage. Yep, just one passage, one short little passage. And I want to find out how many different ways you can play that passage. Maybe find a passage that is difficult, that you have a problem with. I don't want you playing through from beginning to end. No, I just want you to work on that one little passage and make it as good as you can and find as many different ways as possible. You may use different rhythms. You may use different bowings. You can slow it down. You can play it backwards. No, I'm just kidding. That's probably really hard. You can do it in sections. There are many ways to practice one passage, and those are all really great techniques, especially when it's a difficult passage. So let's use one example right here. This one from Elgar. So I would practice with rhythm first, which is my favorite. You guys know it. And then I would change it to different rhythms, but I would also use different bowings. One that really works, if you want it to be even, is separate bows. I might really slow it down. Etc. Now, I don't want to tell you what to do. I want you to come up with your own ideas of how to make it sound good, on how you can make that one passage really be outstanding. Pick something hard. Pick something that is challenging. Show me what you got on Instagram. I will also be doing live every day, as I told you, while I'm practicing. So I'm also doing the challenge, so you guys can keep me accountable. Have a micro lesson with me, or a mini lesson where you send me videos, or a longer lesson with me. I will put down all that information on how you can have lessons with me down below. Okay, thank you so much, and I'll see you tomorrow, which is the beginning of week 2, day 8. Wow, keep going, guys. You're doing so good.